Hello, my name is Rosario Rolandi. I'm in the car business for over 20 years, and I'm gonna talk today about how to get a tax ID number. A tax ID number is an individual taxpayer identification number. And not only how to get it, also how to buy a car and houses. It's really important for any person that's not a U.S. citizen or a resident. Again, my name is Rosario Rolandi. I'm in the car business for 20 years. I have a lot of experience. We are in 2021. I will tell you about my experience this year with the tax ID number ITIN. Subscribe, be so kind, and hit the like as well. That way I know that I help you and your family with this information. Number one, the ITIN is completely free. The only thing that you have to do is go to irs.gov. I'm gonna be listing it right below, and go and type ITIN, and that's it. It's gonna pop a lot of information. You can pick the language that you want, and you're gonna see W7. That's the form that you need in order to apply for individual taxpayer identification number. Fill it up really simple. They're gonna ask you about your address. They're gonna ask about all the stuff. Then you're gonna take your passport or any ID of your country of origin and take it to a notary. Now, notaries are everywhere. You can go to your local bank, local credit union, and UPS stores. They have notaries. They will make sure that copy that you're gonna take from your passport or your ID are the right one. In that case, IRS will take it as proof of identity. You're gonna send all this, the form plus the proof of identity, to the mail. IRS.gov will tell you which address. I'm gonna actually write it underneath. Certify it, just in case, that way you know when the letter arrives. Really simple. And then 4 to 6 weeks, you're gonna be having and receiving a individual taxpayer identification number. With that number, you can do your taxes. You go to an accountant, or you can do it yourself, and you do your taxes at the end of the year. What that you have to know is that the ITIN, it is not a social security card. It's just, like they said, a taxpayer identification. It will help you to start some kind of credit. However, it's still not a social security card. You can open savings and checking accounts with banks. You can have credit cards. You can buy a car, and you can buy a house. And pretty much that's all what you need to live in the United States of America. Of course, in that moment that you're gonna have your social security number, at the time you can transfer all your information, or ask to transfer all this to your social security number. Now, how to buy a car with a tax ID? Really, really simple. You have to talk to the right salesperson. Ask them if they have any experience with tax ID numbers. Why? Because not every salesperson knows about it. And then you want to make sure they don't say, no, you cannot buy a car, because yes, you can. Really simple. You take your last 3 bank statements showing all your deposits. Even if you don't get a paycheck, you should be depositing all your money to your savings or checking accounts. Number 2, If you receive paychecks, bring your paychecks, really important. And if you are a W-2 employee, bring your W-2. Another thing that you have to bring is 2 forms of ID. 2 forms of ID valid on the state of Florida where I'm filming now, because I live in Bradenton, Florida. I work for Gettle Toyota in Bradenton for the last 11 years. You take your passport and any ID of your from the country of origin. This cannot be expired. It has to be valid. I mean, if you don't have it valid, make sure that when you go to the dealership, it's already renewed. That's why you have no issues. Then you will need to have the I-10 letter. It used to send you like a card, but the tax ID now is sending like a light green letter with saying your name and what's your number. And then they gonna ask you for a down payment. Yes, you will need to save your money. Why? Because not all banks works with tax ID. Some banks do. Toyota does work with tax ID. Another 2 banks. If you have a large down payment, large down payment will be 20% of the value of the vehicle. For example, if you're gonna buy a $15,000 car, you're gonna be needing about $3,000 to $4,000. What I say, $3,000 to $4,000. $15,000 probably is a used car. What's the value of the vehicle? And the banks will charge to the dealership a dealer fee, which is gonna be sometimes $2,000 or $3,000. Somebody has to pay for this fee. Many people say, oh, the dealership keep the money. No, we don't keep the money. What we do is we pay the bank $2,000 to $3,000, depends how much they request, depends of the car. And in top of it, these banks will charge you a high interest rate. If it's a new car, it's gonna be 16.75. It's regulated in the state of Florida, but it goes like, if older the car, higher the interest rate. For example, if you buy a 2018, probably you are thinking about a 19.9 interest rate annually. It's a really high interest rate. You cannot do nothing about it. Dealership cannot do anything about it. They are charging you this high interest rate because it's a higher risk. If you have any questions about all that we're talking today, please write your questions right underneath. When I have a minute, I will answer. With all this being said, you can control your interest rate. Even if they give you 16, 17, 18%, if you pay the vehicle in a year, but you didn't pay the accumulated interest rate for years and years. Another thing is with Toyota, I don't know with other dealership or other brands, with Toyota, after a year we have a conquest program, which we will help you to qualify with Toyota finance. And that's really important because we can lower the interest rate. If you didn't before accomplish or get the car that you were looking for, when you qualify with the conquest program, yes, you can get the nice truck or the nice SUV or the nice vehicle that you were looking first at a lower interest rate. Again, my name is Rosario Rolandi. I'm in the car business for 20 plus years, and I'm more than happy, and it's a pleasure for me to help you today to accomplish your goals. Thank you again. Hit the like and subscribe.